Hi everyone, welcome back to Shandri's Car channel. So as we can see for today we have this 2025, the new Volkswagen Touareg. So here we have the key. We are going to start it up. This is the R line. Also we have the keyless go. So you can see this beautiful new interior. Here we have the start-stop button engine. So right now let's go and take a look at the exterior design, and later on we are going to see this beautiful interior, guys. So as we can see right now we are here in the front of the new Volkswagen Touareg. And we can see this beautiful front grille, guys, with illuminated daytime running lights, which are very beautiful. This is the facelift, the newest model, the 2025, and this is the R line. So we can see we have more sporty bumper here in the front, which looks very good, guys. It looks very sporty and very elegant. At the same time, we have this beautiful matrix LED headlights, which are adaptive. Our logo here. And the engine in this car is a 3-liter V6 diesel, produce 286 horsepower with around 700 Newton meters of torque, with all-wheel drive and 8-speed automatic transmission. So it's very quick and very good in the fuel consumption. So now we can see on the side, you can see this R-line wheels. This one, they are 19-inch. They feel, to be honest, a little bit small for this SUV, but you can upgrade to the 22 in the optional list. Our logo there in the side. We have the chrome details around the windows with tinted rear windows, and in the profile and in the back it looks a little bit like a Porsche Cayenne, guys. And now we can see in the back that beautiful illuminated now the Volkswagen logo, the Touareg writing. You can see how beautiful it looks. Also we have more sporty bump for the R design. We have real exhaust, which is very good thing. So you can see it is very good design SUV, guys, and it looks very elegant and very expensive in my opinion. Beautiful. Also we have like a spoiler here, panoramic sunroof there. Right now I can show you the trunk space. It is electric. So you can see the new carpet, because this car is brand new. And you can see we have lots of storage. Also we can see the under storage with a spare tire, which is very rare in today cars. Also we can fold down the rear seats if you have longer items, of course. So right now I can show you the back seats. So as we can see, the door is opening very wide, guys. And you can see we have very good room. We have the ambient light. This has the standard ambient light, which is the white color. In the option you can get with plenty of colors. Also the leather feels very good. And right now let's go and take a look of the interior of this new Touareg, guys. Just like I said before, we have the keyless go. You can lock and unlock. You just need to have the key with you. Here we have doors, aluminum to open the door. Also we have the same buttons like the Audi Q7, the finishes, so they feel very good. Piano black finishes. Also we have this white control stitching to give it more premium look. Also we have the side storage, the R logo in the door sills. Also we have aluminium paddles there. The R logo also here in the seats. And you can see the seats are very good design. So right now, as we can see, we are here inside of the new Touareg, guys, and just look at this beautiful steering wheel. Because like a previous model, you have the same steering wheel just like in the normal Golf, which is, I don't know, not too good, because this is way more expensive and it deserved to have better steering wheel. So this one is very good. The R-line. Also we have this grip here, and it's so light, so it's very easy to maneuver in town. We can see this beautiful dash design, guys, and just look at this screen here. It's amazing. The gear lever, beautiful. Here we have the two cup holders. Here we have the keys, very good design key. Piano black finishes. Is a little bit high. I prefer to be more heavy because it feels more expensive. And here we have the new display for the driver, and we can see we can change the view with these buttons here, and you have haptic feedback when you touch. They are touch sensitive, but they feel very good. Also you can change, for example, the media, telephone, vehicle status, off-road, driving, assist system, and the map view. Beautiful. Also we have the stitching in the dash. It's not leather, but it feels very good, and the quality is very good here, guys. Everything feels very good. So here we have the new infotainment. You can see the screen is massive. Here we have the climate control, is touch screen. The map view. You can put, of course, the new destination. Here we have the apps, the vehicle, oil level, tire pressure, stuff like that. Also we can connect with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can see beautiful clock there. We have heated seats. Also we can adjust. Beautiful, and the screen work very well, guys. It's so easy to use. Also can get with a ventilated seat in the option list. And we can see this beautiful ambient lights, and it say Touareg there. You can see how beautiful it is. And the driving position is so good, and it feels very sporty, guys, because I don't know, the dash design, this is like oriented to the driver. I don't know, it feels very cocooned here, and this beautiful steering wheel. Also we have the backup camera in this car. You can upgrade to the 360-degree camera in the option list. Here we have the gear lever, up to reverse, down to drive. If you want to change your gears by yourself, you push to the right, plus and minus. Also we have shift paddles here in the steering wheel, and for park we have this P button, and the gear lever in the hand. It feels very good, guys. Piano black finishes. We have storage with a wireless charging and USB-C port. Here we have two cup holders, and they are illuminated. Starts up button, engine, hazards, electric handbrake, auto hold. The traction control is located here, and the volume control you can see, and it feels very good, and it's very good located. And here we have the driving modes: normal, sport, individual, comfort, off-road, and snow. Also we have the air suspension, so it depends in what mode you are, the car will raise up or lower. And I can show you the storage in the armrest. You can see it has very good storage with the two USB-C ports. Also we have this beautiful panoramic sunroof, and we have black headliner. Very good car, guys. I can show you now a glove box. You can see it has very good room. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about the new Volkswagen Touareg. Comment down below what do you think, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos to come. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.